If you're a homeowner and you're thinking about purchasing a home, could be a first-time home buyer, but not so much. That's okay too. Just remember there are down payments required for the home loan purchase. With a conventional loan, generally the down payment can be 3-5%. That would be the minimum, remember. And you can put more down if you like. For the FHA loan, it's 3.5% minimum. You can put more down if you like. And the VA home loan does not have a down payment. That's one of the greatest benefits of the VA home loan, is the requirement of not having to come up with 3 or 5 or 3.5%. So the down payment itself is dictated to us by the loan program. Every loan program is a little bit different. The down payment is the difference between the purchase price and the loan amount. So you will generally always have a down payment, with the exception of the VA, the Veterans Home Loan. Now, we do have programs available that will help you with the down payment, which is really, really great, because it's hard for people to save funds for a down payment. So we do have down payment assistance programs available. They do have certain criteria that you have to meet, credit score. Sometimes you have to pay the down payment back, sometimes you do not. So it just depends on what's available for the down payment assistance. And then in addition to your down payment, you are going to have your closing costs that are required. Again, your closing costs are the amount that comes from the dollar amounts, fees that come from the lender, the title company, and then the certain amount of money we're going to set aside to pay your property taxes and insurance. One of the things I do caution homeowners about when I'm reviewing the loan estimate with them and going over the cost is to let them know that in addition to the cost that we're going over, there are generally and maybe other costs associated with the home purchase that you definitely want to discuss with your realtor, such as home inspection. If you have a home inspection, generally that is paid by the buyer, yourself as a homeowner, and paid directly to the home inspector. Sometimes you'll have a termite reporting clearance or termite report that may or may not be paid for by the seller. So that might be a cost that you're going to have to pick up also. That is a cost that can be paid at the closing table, like all your other closing costs. But the home inspection, that one generally is paid up front. One of the costs that might be associated with the home loan is the home warranty. This is the home warranty that puts in effect for a year, so that if something breaks at your house, the dishwasher doesn't work, you call the service and they come out for a fee and they take care of that. So that could be $300 to $500 to $600. Generally can be paid at the closing table. Most of the time that's an optional cost, with the exception of some down payment assistance program do require that you have a home warranty in place. So lots to think about when you're purchasing a home. That's just a small part of it before you even get pre-qualified and pre-approved, and talk about your loan program and where you can get the money and where you can't get the money. But make sure you discuss that in detail with myself as your loan officer. And on the next video, we'll go ahead and talk about some of the ways that your closing costs can be paid for you.